How to switch account on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can switch account on Amazon. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Amazon application and you should get an interface like this once you're logged into a single account. Now here what you want to do is at the bottom of the screen you can see various options. You want to simply tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you should get an interface somewhat like this. You want to simply scroll all the way down below until you find two different options, settings and customer service. What you want to do is you want to tap on the settings option there, and once you tap on settings option, scroll further down below and you can see switch accounts option just above the sign out option. Simply tap on switch accounts option and it should load up. Now let this load up. It might take a couple of seconds to load up. Now you can see it's loaded up. You can see I only have a single account here. If you simply tap on add account option, you'll be able to add another account, and once you add in your account, you can simply switch account from here by simply tapping it in. So this way you can switch account on Amazon application or Amazon. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.